Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a common problem: how to watch Canadian Netflix on your Apple TV. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a VPN on your Apple TV. Head to the home screen, where you see all your apps, and navigate to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, scroll all the way to the right to find the search icon. Now, search for your VPN of choice. For this tutorial, I'm using IPVanish VPN. Just type in IPVanish. It should be the first result that pops up. You can scroll down to read more about it if you want. Now to download it, click the Get button. Mine shows a cloud because I've downloaded it before. Alright, once it's downloaded, click Open. You'll be taken to a screen with some initial information. Read through it and then click Get Started. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password to log into your account. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, I highly recommend checking the link in the description or the pinned comment. You can snag an exclusive discount there. After logging in, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration profile. Just click Allow. Great. Now it's created, and we can start using the VPN. Since we want Canadian Netflix, we need to connect to a Canadian server. Find a Canadian server in the list and click on it. After a few seconds, you should be successfully connected. Your Apple TV will now think it's in Canada. Perfect. Now, go back to the home screen and open Netflix like you normally would. Sign into your Netflix account and choose your profile. And there you have it. You're now browsing the Canadian version of Netflix. See? It even says, Top 10 TV Programs in Canada Today. Just select the show you want to watch and enjoy. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment for a significant discount on your IPVanish account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.